Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. I'm just going to be testing this URGi NGRS 11.5 inch model, and this is we've done a level 1 power upgrade, basically identical to the last one. We've just uploaded with a Nuprol high torque motor, and we've done the wire conversion, but this time we wanted to demonstrate without the stock, just so you can obviously see what direct wire mod looks like. We obviously remove the quick connection set that's on here. That's going to obviously be sent back with you, and then we do a small 12-inch extension with soft silicone wire, so that's obviously it's got some flexibility when you try and crush it with a stock. That's basically how it's going to come. Obviously all you can do now is obviously put any aftermarket stock on there you like, and just make sure that there's a big enough hole that you can thread the Dean's connector through on it. So make sure that's on camera for you to see. There you go. So I still prefer the wireless connections. We always insist on that. Obviously this is the stock that comes with the gun, so you can see it there. It's a replica of the the SLS, I think it is, Magpul, or one of the Magpul stocks. So you got on the back here you can see the quick change connector set. Normally what we do is we remove these, and then we install some new bars from Prometheus, and then obviously coming off the bars is a small bit of wire and a Dean's connector. That way you can utilize the bars system and this lovely stock without having to cut a big hole through there. However, like I say, with your direct wires, if you want to use this stock, you're going to have to remove the 3 screws here, take this connector off, remove the bars, make the hole bigger so that the Dean's connector will actually fit through, and then you'll be able to utilize this stock with the without the wireless contact system. So I just thought I'd try and explain that on camera, so hopefully you get the exact idea of what's going to be needed in order to do. And like I say, we don't cut these because it's something that the customer can do. You know, we don't want to make decisions like that, and cut giant holes in things when it's cutting holes in things. Right, okay, so we're just going to demonstrate this working on single shot. Might even put a mag in it. There you go, so all tested working. Hopefully, like I say, I've presented everything right so you know exactly what you're getting, because after all, these guns are going quite a long way. Any problems, let me know before we send, and we can obviously explain things or change things or whatever, but hopefully this is the build specification that you're after. Thank you.